On a bright and sunny morning, the farm was full of happy sounds. Cow gathered all her friends and had a fun idea. "Let's play hide and seek," she said. Pig, hen, goat, sheep, and duck cheered with excitement. Today was going to be a very playful day on the farm. Pig closed his eyes near the old barn and began to count. 1, 2, 3, he called out loudly. The other animals giggled and ran as fast as they could. Everyone wanted to find the best hiding place before Pig finished counting. Hen hid quietly behind the hay. Goat climbed up high on the tractor. Sheep squeezed behind a fluffy haystack. Duck splashed softly into the pond. Each animal held their breath, hoping Pig wouldn't find them too soon. "Ready or not, here I come," Pig shouted. He searched the barn and the field. Suddenly, achoo! Sheep was found. A cluck gave away hen. Goat laughed out loud, and duck splashed with a happy quack. Pig found everyone. As the sun began to set, the animals sat together laughing. They had so much fun playing as friends. On this farm, the best games were always shared together. And tomorrow, a new adventure would begin.